Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Ford Fusion SE all-wheel drive, stock number E1395P. 44,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White platinum metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Fusion is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, customizable dash on both sides. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for when the automatic transmission is put into sport mode, MyFord Touch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, dual zone automatic temperature control, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for climate. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 231 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 31 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.